Yeah, alright guys, welcome back to the Stone Age Productions channel here on YouTube. Today I've got another biking video for you as I'm heading back into Countesswell woods to hit some of the trails that I didn't do last time. I've just stopped here in a nearby woods just before Countesswell. I've cycled roughly about an hour out of Aberdeen along the old railway line, so I'm just going to have a rest here and a sandwich before heading into Countesswell. Right, so we're up here in Countesswell woods now. I'm just going to warm up on one of the easy trails, or easy-ish trails that I did last time I was here. I'm just waiting a few minutes because a runner decided that he would jog down one of the mountain bike trails, which is a bit questionable. But anyway, let's go. Definitely need to take some PSI out my tyres. Nearly went over the handlebars there. I really need to warm up better. Right, back to the top. So I've come a little bit further into the woods after my poor warm-up on one of the downhill tracks. Now, I'm not sure if this is the trail that I'm looking for, but we're going to follow it anyway and see where it leads us. It looks a bit more enduro, so let's give it a follow. Oh, maybe not. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, I think I found the trail that I was looking for. So let's go. Try that again. Send it. Yeah. Really, follow this. Right then, to start this one off, we've got a small little enduro section, then we'll cross a hiker's path and hit one of the downhill trails that I did last time that I was here, and then we'll cross the road, and then we'll probably do which I think is twisties. It's one that I haven't done before, so it should be interesting. So let's see how this goes. Into the downhill. There's a dab there. It's the black trail. I really like it. I think it's this one. Ooh, the drop off there. It seems to go into nothing. Let's get down and have a look. If this one's running or not, I don't know. It seems like it just washes out here. Continues on. Let's give the one next to it a go. This one doesn't seem brilliant. Right. Let's give this a go. Oh, Jesus, that was steep. Very well maintained, this one. Got it committed now. Nice burn there. Haven't got a clue where I'm going. I guess this is still being built. Right, let's go and have a look at some of these pro trails over here. Some gnarly jumps, which I probably won't do today because I'm by myself, just in case I hurt myself, which is likely to happen if I do some big jumps. Right, see you in a bit. Right, let's just cruise down one of these pro lines and obviously avoid the jumps and just see what it's all about. Just wait for this car to go past. The jump there that I can do. Now these are just insane. going down there. So do go down from here. Use the easy line. Jump here. Jesus. Oh, these bounds are good. Right. Oh, jump. Drop off. And that jump is in need of some TLC. Join onto this one. Here. Cool feature of that. Down to the finish. Right. Gonna walk back to the top and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, this is the one that's called Twisty or Twister. Nice and flowy. That's gonna be a long walk home. Did you hear the bang though? I'm alright. Went over the handlebars. Think I had a bit too much speed for that jump. Christ. I'm gonna have to try and get a lift from somebody or something. Excuse my language. Oh, I just couldn't stop in time. I went straight into this rock, head first. Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, so I say it's like an hour cycle out here. As soon as I was airborne, I knew I was going too fast. I was bumps. I pumped too hard. I banged my knee a bit, but I'm literally fine, which is good. Gonna have to buy a new bike wheel. Christ. Well, that's the bike out of commission for a while. So I guess I'm ending this video on quite literally a bang. Thanks for tuning into this one. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new here. Hopefully we'll get some bike riding videos coming back to the channel real soon. Alright, see you next time. I'm going to try and get home. Bye.